Hello friends, welcome to Unknown Unboxers. Today we are unwrapping the Google Chromecast version 3, the full 1080p Google Chromecast. That's the upgrade to version 2. Let's dive right in and take a look. As soon as I open, what we have is a Chromecast device with, I want to say, a 4-inch long cable with an HDMI connector. Right below it is a charging outlet, which is USB-B. Let's go further in to the box. We have the wall socket and the charging cable. The charging cable has quite a few loops in it. It's rather long. I want to say it's about 2 meters long, so you shouldn't be worried about it making it to the wall socket from your TV. Along with that, there are 2 brochures, Google's safety and warranty, as well as let's get started with clear 1, 2, 3-step instructions on how to unbox and how to set it up on your TV. If you'd like us to post another video setting up the Chromecast, please let us know and we'll post that on this channel again. I hope you like this video. And please continue to share, subscribe, and provide recommendations of what other products you'd like to see.